Namaste viewers, welcome back to Handmade, my YouTube account. My name is Sunny, and with this video I'm back with yet another project that I've made and would like to share with you all. I was inspired by Yin Yang, zodiac sign Pisces, angelfish, and this amazing craft supply that I stumbled upon and have used in few of my earlier projects on this channel. And now let's create. Like all of my projects, I began by making a sketch on a paper with desired measurements. And once I have a sketch of my project, it's time to work with a wire and set of pliers. Here I'm molding a wire in a structural frame for this project. Luckily, this project had very easy wireframe compared to some of my earlier projects. For the next step, I tightly wrapped this wireframe with cellophane wrap and secured it with some regular tape. Next, it was time to use this. Look at the material. I'm in love with this. And I'll say it again, just like every time I use this material I mention, I'm definitely going to use this material in my future projects. This is the step where today's project looks like it's heading in a good direction. And I'm sure many of you would agree with me on this, that it's an awesome feeling to see your creation come to life, little by little, with each step that we take towards its completion. Finally comes the part of the process where we assemble it all and give life to something that was in your mind and now here live in flesh and bones. The ecstasy of watching a project complete is immeasurable. And with this high note, I present you my interpretation of yin yang featuring two angelfish kissing. Like always, it was pleasure to share part of me with you. Like, share and subscribe to support. Love and light. Bye.